Okay, I'm driving to school. Woohoo! And look, guys, this is Roblox, ne? And this is the very fun game that I always like to play. So, okay, start. This is a very long video. So, which way should that? Okay, this way. So I can hop someone's house. Oh, I already have bank. So I robbed someone's bank yesterday. Or maybe now I think I robbed them my bank now. This way now. In 21 minutes. Okay, this is a hotel now. So we're done. Okay, sorry videos, we're too late now. We see you in the next video. So we make this another on the weekend.